Go ahead, Braxton. Flex for the camera. Okay, a while back on Amazon Prime, I bought these Blink cameras. And we were going to install them at the house, but I think we found a better use for them here at the ranch. So, I'll show you what we did with that one. They're real easy to install. You download the Blink app. You get that onto your internet. And with the USB drive, you don't have to pay a fee. So, go back out here. And we can see the pressure gauge. There's the camera, where it's strapped around the tank. But no matter where we are, we can always see that the pressure is being maintained. And you say, well, what about when you shut the door? It reads even better when the door's shut. It's like night vision. I'll insert a picture. Anyway, that's what we did today, is install some Blink cameras, and we looked for other areas. Okay, this is how we're going to place the second camera. It'll be inside of the rain gauge, so when we have bad storms like we did last night, we can tell how much rain we got, and then just overall safety for the cows, and make sure that this concrete tank is full of water. We don't have a leak somewhere. Everything we do is just try to have the safety for the livestock. So that's why we have the camera inside the pump house. That's why we're installing this camera. And then also, if there's tornadoes in the area, we can also see in the background if something's hit the house headquarters. So that's our plan. That's what we're thinking. And I'll insert a picture. It works really well. Look. Tornadoes in the area last night, so everything looks okay. We're just gonna check the rain. So we got another inch. We had an inch, I believe, 2 nights ago. An inch last night. Everything's looking green. Got water standing. This is awesome. We need this rain for the grass to grow. We planted some Bermuda, so hopefully that's coming up. Hey girls! They got flies up here. Y'all looking good.
They got some.
Look how big the calves are. My goodness. Cows are looking good. Hey, mamas. Yeah, look at them. 28. Yeah, so remember we tagged the steer on there right here. Yeah, look at it. And then there's this one here, not as old. Another steer. That's what you want. There's a little heifer back there. She's pretty good size. But look at how the mamas are carrying their weight. They look good, filled out. I saw it. Yeah. Mamas are shedding their winter coats. Oh, there's some back there. Oh, her calf's nursing back there. That's good. Now there's some at the bottom down here. It's green, green, green. I forget what those tubs are called.
Remember that movie, Cannonball Run?
Yeah.
Remember it?
No. No.
Remember it?
No.
If you're going to be a bear,
Don't you do it. I'll
be a grizzly.
You looking good, girl. This pasture suits your complexion. Good girls.
See it? That's on the right.
Kenneth thinks there's an alligator out
Alligator
here.
right there.
Where?
Right there on the right, in the water on the right hand side.
You can't see because your head.
But if you look, see the tree in the background. Look at the bottom of that right hand tree. You see the Sasquatch looking at you?
Stop! You're messing up
The left hand.
focal point.
The left hand one is there's a Bigfoot back over there, and that other one.
That's a washout. The craziest thing we've seen in that washout is a raccoon taking a day bath or something. He was just out there playing in it. I think they're just red before they open up. I don't know, but they're beautiful. Look at that. I love being out here.